All right, guys, welcome to a new video. This is a car video. It's about my 1991 Galant VR4 that I just got over here to the UK from the States. My brother basically has been holding it on for me for about 10 years. And finally, it's made its trip across the Atlantic to me. So my brother did all the restoration for it. If you guys aren't familiar with the car, just go on the org. There's a big write-up on the car from the day I bought it, basically the full undercarriage restoration, and there's a lot that went into this car. Check it out on the org. If you're not on there, sign up, check it out. I'm not going to go over all the stuff that's done to it because I'd be here all day, but it's done a full restoration so far. Only thing it needs now is a body work. Let's show you the car. I'll talk about it a little bit more, and we'll go from there. But right now, let's check the video out where I got it in from the US here to the UK, and I was pretty ecstatic because it's the first time I've seen it in a while. So let's check it out. Roll the video. Comes the Galant, backing down the road, all the way from America. All right, Tiffany, just leave it, it's fine. Long journey. Long journey. Now let's get her unloaded. All right, guys, well, here's the car. So this is 504 of 2000, 1991, limited edition. So I hope you enjoyed the video of it coming off the trailer there, if you're seeing it for the first time. So this is basically her. Right now, I'm just prepping her for paint. It's got full body work going to be done to it, full paint job. It's going to be all white like a normally standard car. Right now, I've got the JDM bumper on it. It's got JDM fenders on it, which will be prepped, and then it's got the JDM hood on it. You can't see it with the hood up, but it's got the JDM hood on it. And right now I'm just, because my appointment's not till, unfortunately, till February, March time, so I'm waiting. I'm on the waiting game. I'm on a list. It's a very good body shop. I've just got to wait. So unfortunately, that is the scenario I'm at right now. But right now I'm playing in the engine bay. Do a little bit more to it. I've cleaned it up. I'd love to pull the engine out and do a full paint in it and everything, but I don't have the time to do that, and I don't think it really needs it. It just needs polishing. I've cleaned it up. As you can see, it looks really good. What I'm doing now is I've took a lot of the bolts and a lot of the brackets out of the car that are visible, and I've gone ahead and got them zinc coated. I'm still putting them on the car now. I've just started. There's one. There's a few there. I went ahead and zinc coat as much as I could basically pull out, really, but I don't want to go overboard. Just did a few, then I'll leave most of them black. That one down there, did one here, and went ahead and did the evap canister bracket, the fuel filter bracket, and the cruise control one. I went ahead and redone because it was rusty and it needed to be cleaned up. Not rusty really, just needed to be cleaned up. So I've got that zinc. It's in the garage. I'm putting a clear coat on it to protect it, to make it last longer. And I pulled all that out, cleaned all this up, got it nice. It's ready to go back together. So I'm still working on that. And then once I get the engine bay back together, I'm gonna do an oil change because it needs one. And then that's it. Really, just sit and wait over the winter till the body shop's ready for me. It needs some work body-wise. This is a TE37Vs. The body's not great. It's got some dinks and dents. Needs some body repair. I mean, this fender's not great. It's got a dent in it here that needs to be repaired, but that's body work. That's no big deal. I'm not worried about that. That's what they do best at. So my plan is to strip the interior out. I've got, like I said, go back and check out the video about the interior. It's got full Recaro interior. I need to pull all that out. I want to pull the carpets out, clean the carpets. So the whole interior is going to be done. The dash is coming out. So stay tuned for more videos because that's going to be coming up. So you'll be able to see what's going on with that. And I've got the brand new fog lights that are going to be going in there. I've already wired them up. Already got them wired up. I'm doing the pre-facelift fog lights. I do have a brand new set of facelift fog lights, but I've decided, because my RS has facelift fog lights and don't really want the same bumper look. I want to change it up so I can something different to look at. So I'm going to do the pre-facelift fog lights. I think they'll look nice. I've already put them in there, had a look. I love it. So I think I'm going to go with that. Obviously, 93 headlights are brand spanking new. Can't go wrong there. A lot of new parts on this car. So yeah, so stay tuned for more videos. This is what I'm working on now. I'll show you a video of when I finish with everything in there on this video, so you'll be able to see that. And then probably won't be a video for a while after that about this car, because it's just going to be sitting until I can get it in the body shop. So all right guys, hope you enjoyed it. A little update or a 504, because it hasn't been filmed in a while. Anyway, take care guys. All right guys, just finished doing the oil change on the car. So it's got fresh new oil filter, and went ahead and put it all back together now. Got the new bits in, so all new nickel, all new zinc coating on those. Some of them I did black, like the one in the corner there. I went ahead and did black, and then a few bits and bobs. Then you got the brackets down there, so I did the fuel filter bracket, and then down there is the evap canister bracket. I went ahead and zinced that. And just did a few things like the tie down battery. Went ahead and zinced those. And I think that's it. I think I showed you all the other stuff that I've zinced. Oh, and I did that one down there, which you really can't see, but I did it anyway. So yeah, so it's kind of like a mix and match of some zinc stuff, some black, which I kind of like the look of. It looks nice. But that's it for the engine compartment. Not doing anything else to it. There is going to be, I've got all new timing belts ready to go. Just got to get that done. New crank pulley, the whole 9 yards in there, new water pump, everything. So that's all ready to go for service wise. And then I'll be doing the same service on the RS, timing belt and everything. So I need to get all that done. So yeah, that's the 504 2000 updated for right now. And I don't know if I showed anybody this before, but this is a pretty rare piece too. I think there's only 2 of them that I've ever seen. I was able to source it from Mitsubishi quite a many years ago, but it's a what do they call it? Air diversion panel. So basically stops the air from coming, or helps stop the air from coming up over, and kind of makes it go through the radiator and through the condenser for cooling. So I think it came on a diesel model. I was able to find it factory. I know that they're in LA now, so don't bother searching, because if there was more, I would have bought one for the RS, but they're no longer available. So yeah, that's it. So I'll probably do an update when it gets closer to the time of going to the body shop, because I need to start stripping the interior out and stripping all that out. So I might show some footage of that, because I got some vents to replace on the dash. But really like the nickel finish. I mean, excuse me, the zinc finish that I did, the yellow zinc. It just really pops. And you know, with the black, it just really pops. I'm excited about that. So all right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see the car later down the road, of what the finishing product is going to be, because it's going to be, I think it's really pretty spectacular when it's finished. I'm quite keen on it, getting it finished, so I can start taking it down the road. So all right, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.